So you're looking for a new DAO to get into? Well, let me show you how to exchange your current fiat money or crypto tokens into Fortress. So to start off, if you want to transfer your fiat coins into Fortress, then you want to go to your trading platform of choice. If you're in Europe or anywhere outside the US, then it's probably Binance or KuCoin or whatever you use. And from there, you'll be able to find a deposit button where you can deposit your money straight into the platform and get trading with crypto. After your money is in the platform, next you'll want to buy AVAX. AVAX is the primary coin of the Avalanche network, which Fortress is hosted on. So you'll need some AVAX for the transfer fees and to get yourself the fort. Once you've purchased your AVAX, you want to withdraw it. In order to withdraw it, you want to select AVAX for the coin. Next in this address area, you'll want to put your wallet address. I personally use Metamask, but you can use anything like Coinbase, Brave Wallet. But there's a lot more wallets that you might already have that have access to the Avalanche network. It's just best to check beforehand, because if you send Avalanche to an unsupported wallet, then it will be gone forever. And that wouldn't be great, would it? Next, you want to select AVAX C chain on this area here, and then put the amount in that you want to send. Before you send, double check your wallet address, make sure everything's safe. And then once that's done, you can head over to your Metamask and you should be able to see some AVAX there. Now that you've got your AVAX, you're now able to get fort. The two main sites to buy fort from are Trader Joe and Paraswap. Trader Joe is a lot more simpler to get started with, so I'll go over that first. To get started with Trader Joe, you want to click on this link on the fort website that says buy on Trader Joe. Then it'll bring you over to the fort MIM trade. You can transfer your AVAX into MIM first, which MIM is just equivalent to $1. But if you want to save the hassle and the fees, then just click on the MIM here and go to AVAX. Next, you want to deposit the amount that you want to spend. Say I want to spend 1 AVAX on 11.84, then that'll be fine. But before you do, make sure that you save some AVAX. I'd recommend saving 0.3 AVAX to cover all the fees you'll need. Since it's on the Avalanche network, it'll take you a while to burn through that 0.3 AVAX because the fees are minuscule. Then once you have the amount that you want to spend, click this add fort to wallet button. This will add the Fortress token into your Metamask wallet, which means that you'll be able to see your holdings in Metamask. Then before you can swap, it may show up with an approve button here. You just click that. It's like a 10 cents fee at most. Then once that's fully approved, which should take a couple minutes max, you can just click this swap button here. Then once that's done, you'll have your fort. Alternatively, if you want to use Paraswap, which is my preferred method of trading fort because of the cheaper fees and real-time updating graph. So to trade on Paraswap, first you want to connect your wallet to the AVAX network. You can just click on Metamask, Wallet Connect, whichever one you have. And then once you approve it up there, you'll be in. Then from there, you want to import the fort token. This is done by clicking one of these icons down here. And then you'll need to go into the Discord and type in $contract. You want to copy and paste this first fort address and then go back to the Paraswap website and then type in that link. Then you want to confirm that you want to import this token and import the custom token. And there you have fort in there. Now that the fort is in there, you'll then want to type in the amount of AVAX that you want to transfer over, making sure to leave some for fees, of course. And from there, you'll want to click swap. This will transfer your AVAX over to fort and you'll now have fort in your Metamask. Now that you have your fort, the best thing to do with it is stake it. By staking it, you'll earn bonuses over time. So if you put in 10 fort and the fort price doesn't change at all, your initial investment of $99 will turn into $163 over that month, which is a pretty decent amount. So to get started with this, you want to go over to the fort site and click on stake, and then either put in max or however much you want to do and click on stake fort. This will bring up a notification in the top right, just confirming the trade. You'll probably pay a small fee of like 10 cents to $1. And then once you pay that fee, your fort will be staked. Next, if for any reason you want to unstake your fort, go over to this unstake area. Once you're here, you can either click on max or the amount that you want to do, and then click unstake fort. Your fort isn't locked in for any period. You can take out at any time, and the fee is just exactly the same as staking. So say if we click here and unstake all of our fort, then it would only be a 25 cents fee. Anyway, if you found this video informative or useful at all, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be creating a bunch of videos informing you guys about everything that's going on with the fort ecosystem, and not only that, but it helps spread the channel more. The more fort stakers, the more the price goes up, the more you'll be earning. So it's a win-win situation at the end of the day. But I hope you enjoyed, and happy staking.